So Margaret is a patient of mine who had a left knee replacement done about 5 months ago, and she had a really, really bad knee. Before surgery, she had a 26-degree flexor contracture, which means that she could not straighten her knee the last 25 degrees. She was walking on this bent knee, horribly arthritic, and it was super painful. Her knee was so scarred from the arthritis that she had. It was really affecting her life. And we did a knee replacement for her. We utilized the robot to really perfect the implant positioning and make sure we got her a stable knee with great range of motion. And she's done amazing. She's 5 months out, and I'll let her tell her story to you.
I had total knee replacement on my left knee. I can't say enough about the surgery. It was life-changing for sure. I had the surgery December 1st, 2021, so just about 5 months ago. I was not able to straighten my leg for, I thought maybe a year, but based on the damage, it might have been even longer than that. And I started compensating on the right side because I wasn't able to straighten this knee, and going up and down stairs was very difficult, and just it started really affecting just day to day. And like I said, I started having issues on the other side, so I was hesitant to do the knee replacement, but it was the best decision I could have made for sure. I have been cleared from physical therapy. I was cleared about a month and a half, 2 months ago. I'm now back to working out on the treadmill. I could do inclines. I'm able to go up and down stairs. Still a little careful with like squats and stuff like that. I still feel the tightness, but overall, I mean, I'm doing things now that I haven't been able to do in a year and a half, 2 years for sure. So. Surgery was literally no pain, mainly. I mean, obviously starting therapy and getting the muscles back took work, but recovery was way better than I thought it would be. Surgery was as best as I could have hoped for it, and I mean, just the entire recovery process. I mean, it has been, you do have to push yourself, because sometimes you get tired, or you're like, oh, this is a little painful to go through the recovery, but in the end, as long as you stick to the therapy and you follow through with what you need to do, the entire process has been very good.